Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play California from Songland on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 4. The chords you'll need to know are E minor, open 2, 2, open, 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 open 2, 2, open, 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 and B minor, mute 2, 4, 4, 3, open. And this is relative to the capo, right? So the frets would be 2, 4, 4, 3. You can let this one ring if you want, but if not, you can bar the whole fret right here except for the top. So it should sound like. And it just goes between E minor and B minor. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know some other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.